there is drama that is now being witnessed in the state of West Bengal already. Let's get you the details that are now coming in. Reports suggest that angry mob in booth 40 and 41 throws EVM VVPAT in a pond in South 24 Parganas district of West Bengal. We have Pooja with us right now. Pooja, what's happening? Another issue that is now being reported in West Bengal in the 7th phase.
Well, it's business as usual in West Bengal. Yet another instance of violence that has been reported in the 7th phase of polling. Remember, there are 9 seats that goes for polls today, and in South 24 Parganas' Kultali area in booth number 40 and 41, some of the EVMs and VVPATs were thrown into a pond. Now, what we're given to understand is that some of the polling agents were not being allowed to sit in the polling booth, and thereafter the irate mob barges into the polling station. They snatch the EVM, VVPAT and throw them in the pond. At this point in time, the Election Commission is going through the footage of the webcasting to understand who are these people who were involved in this incident, because the Election Commission is also taking cognizance of the matter, because the state police as well as the Central Armed Paramilitary Forces are supposed to be stationed inside and outside the polling station. Then how did these people manage to barge into the polling station, snatch the EVM and VVPAT and throw them into the pond? So at this point in time, the EVMs are, completely damaged, and Election Commission is trying to replace them so that polling can once again resume at 41 and 40 number polling station in Kultali.
Right, but Pooja, looking at the current situation, we are told that even when it comes to the political parties have now raised this issue, almost in every phase of the voting that is now taking place, there has been some kind of an incident that continues to be reported from the state of West Bengal.
Well, absolutely. In the last 6 phases, and today's the 7th phase, where we're seeing incidents of violence continue to get reported in parts of West Bengal. While the Election Commission tried to ensure there is fair and peaceful elections, but some of the areas definitely reported violence. And West Bengal is the only state compared to other states in the country which saw huge deployment of Central Armed Paramilitary Forces. In fact, this is one such state which had close to 900 companies of CAPF being deployed to ensure peaceful voting. But despite these efforts being taken by the Election Commission and the state government, where close to 35,000 police force has been deployed for one such phase today. So we're seeing that still violence is getting reported, but at this point in time, the Election Commission's primary motive will be to ensure that there is peaceful voting, and in whichever area there is violence as disturbance being reported, the EVMs could be replaced.
As far as in this incident that has been reported, the Election Commission is going through the footage and will understand exactly all those individuals who were involved when it comes to throwing the EVM machines in a pond.